Hello mummies, welcome to my channel Learning with Flora. In today's video, let's see the syllabus for playgroup kids for the month January. This is for the third and fourth week. So in the third and fourth week, introduce the child parts of the body and also hygiene, that is personal hygiene and good habits. Then you can also introduce writing E, that is the letter of the month, numbers is 10 and color is orange. So then the rhymes, everything you can do the revision and also introduce engine number 9. Then story, you can introduce stories in your regional language which are very popular for the third and fourth week. Then in picture reading, you can start introducing picture reading for other alphabets from A to E in sequence. Then pre-writing stroke for the third and fourth week, you can introduce writing O stroke. Then in early writing for the third and fourth week, it is revision of letters L, T, H, I, E. Then in the third and fourth week, you can start giving assessment sheets for the child to see whether the child is identifying and writing the alphabets. You can give worksheets. In Montessori language activity, you can give tracing of O or circle stroke in sand train. Then maths for the third and fourth week, you can give look and say the numbers and random number counting. Then rhymes, you can you count the stars in the sky? For oral activity, let the child identify the numbers in the surrounding. For example, like you can ask the number that is in the calendar, or you can write and stick on the wall and ask the child to search and bring the numbers and identify the number. Then for the third and fourth week in number writing, it is 9 and 10. Then for the third and fourth week in Montessori number activities, it is introduce quantification activities from 6 to 10. Then in environmental studies for the third and fourth week, you can talk about the importance of personal hygiene, their benefits for healthy living, etc. Then in gross motor skill development for the third and fourth week, balance and walk on alphabets M, K, O, P, etc. Music, the child's favorite song you can introduce. And games in both outdoor and indoor, whatever is possible, you can allow the child to play. In fine motor skill development, teach the child how to dry and wipe the plates and glasses when they are in the kitchen, when they are playing in the kitchen. Then in art and craft activities for the third and fourth week, you can give join the dots with simple drawing activity, like you can draw apple or any shapes that are formed using lines. Example, your square, triangle, etc. In craft, you can make face mask of elephant. In origami, for the third and fourth week, you can teach the child how to make hill fold or mountain fold. In social and emotional development, talk about the personal hygiene and its important. In cognitive, you can give brainstorming worksheet activities related to the theme and concept of the week. Free play, it is the child's play. And cultural, you can talk about the third and the fourth week related theme and topic activities. In kids yoga, for the third and fourth, you can ask the child to repeat the same things which he has been taught. Now for the third and fourth week Montessori practical life activities, you can ask the child or teach the child how to brush the teeth. Then in sensorial activities, you can ask the child to explore the environment and identify the textures in the environment. For example, door is smooth, doormat, it is soft, then wall, sofa, soft toys like teddy, etc. You can ask the child to feel and recognize or identify the texture of those objects. And this is the syllabus for the third and fourth week of January. Thank you for watching.